In this video, you can learn easy ways to make money online strategies. This video is going to be very interesting, so watch till the end without wasting time. Let's start the video. First method, starting a YouTube channel. Starting a YouTube channel is one of the easiest ways to get started in making money online, and you won't need any money. It does, however, take some time and effort. PewDiePie or Ryan's World have turned their YouTube channels into multi-million-dollar empires. With the right strategy and consistency, you too can reach a point where your channel not only showcases your passion, but also becomes a substantial source of income. In today's tutorial, we'll walk through the essential steps to launch a successful YouTube channel in under 30 minutes, focusing on a specific example that will guide you from conception to launch. Great for this guide is perfect for individuals passionate about a specific topic, looking to share their knowledge and connect with like-minded individuals worldwide. Skill set needed. Starting a YouTube channel requires creativity, basic video editing skills, and an understanding of SEO principles to ensure your content reaches its intended audience. Time required. You can get your YouTube channel up and running in as little as a day. Don't overthink the process. Shooting your first video can feel nerve-wracking and intimidating, but the next steps will help you to identify how to get started and examples to guide you along your journey. Step 1. Identify your niche. First, pinpoint your niche by considering what you're passionate about and if there's an audience for it. For instance, if you're into sustainable living, your channel could focus on eco-friendly DIY projects, product reviews, and tips for reducing carbon footprints. This specificity helps attract a dedicated audience. Step 2. Create a content strategy. Once your niche is defined, develop a content strategy. Plan your video topics, posting schedule, and content format. If our example is sustainable living, you might start with a series on zero-waste home essentials, outlining products and DIY solutions that help reduce waste. Step 3. Set up your YouTube channel. Setting up your channel involves choosing a memorable name, creating a logo, and designing a compelling channel banner. For a sustainable living channel, you might choose a name like Green Living Guide and design a logo and banner that reflect the eco-friendly nature of your content. Step 4. Pull out your phone. You can get started recording videos on your phone. You don't need any fancy or expensive equipment to get started. Once you master the basics and start generating some extra income, then you can look into investing in other equipment, such as a DSLR camera, microphone, and lighting setup to enhance your video quality and production. For our sustainable living channel, a good starting point could be your phone, a lapel microphone, and a ring light. Step 5. Record your first video. With your equipment set up, it's time to record your first video. For Green Living Guide, the inaugural video could be 10 easy steps to a zero-waste kitchen, showcasing practical tips and tricks. Ensure your video is engaging, informative, and delivers on the promise of your content strategy. Pro tip: you can use ChatGPT to help create the initial script. Step 6. Edit your video. Editing is where your video comes to life. Get started with CapCut, an all-in-one free editing software tool. You can also look into other softwares like Adobe Premiere Pro or Final Cut Pro to cut out mistakes, add music, and insert graphics that enhance your message. For our example, adding before and after visuals of a kitchen transformation can make the content more compelling. Step 7. Optimize for SEO. To ensure your video reaches the widest audience, optimize your video title, description, and tags with relevant keywords. For a video on a zero-waste kitchen, you might use tags like sustainable living, zero-waste tips, and eco-friendly kitchen hacks. Step 8. Promote your channel. Finally, promote your channel through social media, forums, and collaborations with other YouTubers. For Green Living Guide, joining eco-friendly groups on Facebook or collaborating with sustainability bloggers can help attract viewers interested in your niche. By following these steps and leveraging your unique perspective, you can build a YouTube channel that not only educates and entertains, but also grows into a rewarding venture. If you guys want to know new ways to earn money, then you must subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.